Grade 5 Spelling List Number 3. Problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M. A matter or situation regarded as unwelcome or harmful and needing to be dealt with and overcome. He has a problem with work. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Past and past participle of bring. I brought her a gift. Sopranos. S-O-P-R-A-N-O-S. The highest of the 4 standard singing voices. Career. C-A-R-E-E-R. An occupation undertaken for a significant period of a person's life and with opportunities for progress. Which career are you going to pursue? Elements. E-L-E-M-E-N-T-S. A part or aspect of something abstract, especially one that is essential or characteristic. The death at all the elements of a great tabloid story. Possible. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Within the power or capacity of someone or something. We will provide help if possible. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Very enthusiastic and eager. They were excited about the news. Declare. D-E-C-L-A-R-E. Say something in a solemn and emphatic manner. The President will declare state of emergency. Suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Quickly and unexpectedly. Suddenly I tripped on the rock. Des Moines. D-E-S-M-O-I-N-E-S. A city in the capital of Iowa, in the central part, on the Des Moines River. Des Moines is the capital of Iowa. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more video tutorials.